All right, so if I'm going to do the guide block, I'm just going to start here. And so one of the questions that people have is because the old out of the book had it in 3D, all right, and it was very confusing. So what the book did in 2022 is they updated it. So because normally if you were doing this, you would then show the hidden line. I'm just going to show you what that would look like also, but let's just do this. So I'm just going to build this thing really quickly here. I'll start at 0, 0. The reason why I'm going to build it to show you how the hidden line looks is sometimes it doesn't appear and people don't really know why, and it's typically the scale. All right, so I would have to measure this. So I know that looking at this is 1.25 up and then over. So the scale is really important because that's what's going to determine those hidden line, which one to pick from. So let me just build this real quick. 0.75, come up here, 0.5. And then this is going to be 0.75. And that's, well, I could just make another line and just, I can eyeball it at 25 degrees. Probably not the best way to do it. I could take a line, rotate it, but I don't know the distance. So then let's go back to 0, 0 and come to the right. And that's going to be at 3.75 inches. And then it comes back at 60 degrees. So what I would probably do in this case is just make a vertical line, type and rotate, select the line here, select the point down here and type in minus 60. No, I'm sorry, I was doing that wrong. Type in positive 60. That's going to rotate it to the left. Oops, 60 degrees. Wait, what did I do wrong there? That's not right. Let's double check that real quick here. Why is
30
that?
degree. You have to do 30.
Yeah. 30. Yeah. Okay. So double that. So let's do that again. Oh, right. If I was coming up, I would do that. If I was coming horizontally, I would do it 60 degrees. I wasn't really thinking. So rotate, select this object again, and type in 30. Okay. So what I could do then is just type trim. You know, I do another things. The other way of doing this line would be just to make a horizontal line coming across from this point. Type and rotate. Select the line here. And then I'm going to rotate it 25 degrees. So that would be minus 25. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. And so then type trim. All right. So a couple things I want to do here. So couple of things. So I can, let's put the circle in, and then I just want to show you how you would put a hidden line in, even though it's not part of this exercise. Let's go ahead and put the circle in. So I'll go circle diameter. It's going to be X is 1.5 and Y is 0.75. 75, enter. And the diameter is 0.75, 3/4. Okay, so let's just real quickly dimension this, and then I will continue on showing you how to do hidden line. Thank you for being patient here. While we're at it, let's go to format, dimension style. Let's just get this the way it needs to get. So I'll go to modify, and precision is in the hundredths, and then I want to get rid of that leading 0. And then I also want to make this, I want to guess about half the size. So I'll just go fit. I'm going to type in 0.5 and say, okay, set current, close. All right, looks pretty good to me. Let me just bang this out real quick here. I'm still going to need to make this part line thicker. So that's 0.75. Bear with me, everybody. And then I want to do a hidden line for giggles here. Always. All right. Oh, I don't need that one. I should probably check all this before I do all this work. Also, what I do is dimension, let's put center mark, let's put that in there. And then dimension this also. And just for the sake of argument, we just try to get as close as we can to the drawing. So it's okay, just as long as you've got a little space there, you're all right. Let's continue on here. Getting closer. $60 degrees, 25 degrees. And I'm just going to draw some arbitrary lines here. Just as long as they go outside of that. I could just go rotate, R-O-T-A-T-E, enter. Select this line if I'm trying to get uniform. Let's go copy. And then just rotate it. Okay, so there we go. Let's just thicken the line. So I'll go to select my lines here. Be careful not to select my dimensions. And just the part lines only. And thicken these up. Line weight. Okay, turn it on there, just verify. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I think I've got all the dimensions here to be done. And oh, one more dimension I need the diameter here. I'm pretty quick at this. All right, so that looks fairly good. So that's good here. So I think I have everything. Hang on, everybody.